Hi everyone, I'm Priyanshu Gupta, and today I'll showcase a mini project I created during my internship, a real-time character and word counter. I'll walk you through the code step by step and show you how it works. Let's jump into the code.
So first, create an HTML file and name it index.html and open it. Here we will write the HTML code to define the structure of the web page. Simply press Shift 1 and press enter. Inside the title tag, we write the title of our project. Like I named my project real-time character counter. Now move into the body section. Here is the main content of the project. First of all, I will create the code and then I will explain the code line by line. Till then, enjoy the time lapse. Div class container. This container wraps all the content into a central box. Text input field where the user will write text. Div class counter displays the character and word counters. Characters counts every character. Words counts the words. Here the HTML part is done. Now it's about CSS, which handles the styling and makes the project look appealing. We can write CSS in two ways. First, by creating a new file, but then we will need to link it in the HTML. And second is by writing CS directly inside the style tag. Both ways are fine, but I will use the second method. Let's start. Styling the body tag. Inside the body, we chose Arial as the font and center align the page using flexbox and set the background color to light red. For the main box, we choose background color light pink with rounded borders and a shadow effect. For the heading, we chose text color white with center aligned. Text area wrapped it in a box with an off-white background and added rounded borders and spacing. Text input field full width with rounded corners with disabled resizing. Counter section used flexbox to create space between the character and word counters. Here we added an animation effect for when the counters update, making them slightly zoom in and out. Here the CSS part is done. Now comes the main part, JavaScript, which makes the project functional. For JavaScript, write a script tag at the bottom of the body section and we will write all the JavaScript code here. Here select the text area field and counters character and word using their IDs. Create a function called updateAccounts. Text input.value is fetches the user's text, and characters text.length counts the total characters, and trims the text and splits it by spaces to count words. Here update the counters in HTML updates the character count and updates the word count. Add animation when the counters update and remove it after 300 milliseconds. Here we attach an input event listener to the text area. So whenever the user types, the updateAccounts function is triggered. Initialize the counters once the page loads. When the user types in the text area, the updateAccounts function is triggered by the input event listener. It counts the characters and words in real time, updates the HTML, and shows the animation. This is how, using basic knowledge, we created a web page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Through this project, I learned how to build interactive web applications using front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you found this video useful, do like and share it with others. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.